I'm gonna show you how to make 5 to 10K a month from home, no BS. This is called affiliate marketing and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Now, don't worry about everyone finding out about this because statistically only 5% of people will stay to the end of the video. So first we're gonna look for a product to sell. All you really need is a laptop and I'm gonna show you how it works. There are tons of places to find products, but I personally think ClickBank is the best to start off with. Once you log in, click the marketplace button. Then you will see a bunch of categories you can promote. Let's click on health and fitness. As you can see, this flat belly tonic pays you $140 per conversion. To promote the product, click promote and then it will bring you to this page. So here I put Alice as my account nickname, then press generate. This is your affiliate link. Then go ahead and copy it. Keep in mind that this link is really important because that's how you get paid. Now you just gotta promote it and drive traffic to your link. Let me know if you want a part 2 on how to promote the link. And if you want to learn how exactly you can start your affiliate marketing business, DM me on Instagram and I'll guide you personally.